Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel, and this is your April's first week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you are looking for a monthly reading, that's just uploaded on my channel, so click on the video section and find your signs reading. So again, Cancer, Sun, Moon or Rising, this reading is for you. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. You've got the Five of Stars and the One of Suns for your love life. I do see Cancer that there is a separation from a person who could be an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon Rising, or you could have an Aquarius or Capricorn Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart. It's not necessary, but I'm just telling you because these two signs popped up. I do see that a lot of you are hoping for a reconciliation. To those who are hoping for a reconciliation with this person who you are in no contact with, you have blocked each other, there were some misunderstandings, or the communication just abruptly ended. There is going to be a rebirth to this. You both are going to be communicating soon and starting a new beginning as well. So you will have a fresh start in this fresh communication, clearing all the misunderstandings that caused uh, uh, you know this relationship to end. So all these that you were overthinking about, those days are about to end. Also, if you were already in a relationship or marriage and you had troubled waters, everything will be smooth again. The sun will shine bright on the both of you. To those who are long past their exes and want a fresh start, a new beginning with a new person, there's a good news for you as well. This new beginning talks about singles as well. Even the singles can have a fresh new beginning with a new person altogether. And I do see that it could be somebody who is already around you, like a localite, somebody who's just around you, right? Wherever you stay, probably, or wherever you work, that's also a possibility. Coming to your career, you've got the Eight of Spheres and the Six of Suns. I do see that you are overthinking about something. Your work is causing you a lot of overthinking because it has not been going the way you thought it would, right? So the finances part maybe is a little slower, the profits are slower, the clientele is slow. Everything is causing you a lot of overthinking, because of which you could not be even sleeping properly because you're worried about your future, that at this rate I will never be able to achieve my dreams, that dream home, that dream car, right? If that is you, then I have a good news for you. This April month, first week, is going to be exclusively nice for you, Cancer, because I do see that you are going to triumph over all your problems. That slow money is going to now pick up the pace. That slow customer or clientele is going to pick up the pace. The profit is going to pick up the pace. Whatever was slow, the finances that were coming in, the income that was coming in was in unstable or less, that will increase now. You will be finally be able to go home and sleep peacefully knowing that you have worked hard and earned what you deserve, right? So right now it feels like you're working hard but you're not getting enough return. So get ready, because you will be getting enough return as well. You will be able to go back home and sleep peacefully. This is a card which talks about progress in your life, progress in your professional life. So yes, you will be taking next steps in your business and your professional life, which means that you could be growing in your business financially or reputation wise, or you could be getting a promotion in your current work job, or getting a better opportunity somewhere else. All this is also a possibility in the April 1st week. I also see that your both domestic life, family life, your work life, everything looks good. So the April financial year, if we talk about 2025, is going to start on a very good note for you guys. So if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you would like to book any reading, I also take personal readings and I also do rituals as well. So if you don't know how to do a ritual, I will give you easy affirmations, and if you uh, or I will perform it on your behalf, I can do that as well. So let me know. Email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com or Instagram DM me at the Moksha Tarot. Please follow me on Instagram as well, as I post very important news there all the time. Like, one of the important news that I will share it with you today is that on March 29th, 30th and 31st is a very powerful time for rituals. So new moon happened on March 29th. The energies are still going strong and they will stay strong until March 31st. So if you missed your ritual by any chance because you did not watch this reading and because you're not there on my Instagram, then you can still do it today or tomorrow. So please hurry and book your slots for rituals, very powerful rituals. Again, email me or DM me. I'll send you all the details and you can choose what ritual you wish to do. Okay? So take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.